Hi everyone, I'm doing a review and unboxing today of the brand new Stan Smith Human Made. They've just came out, and yeah, I'm going to go through the shoes with you, do a little review, unbox them, kind of show you what you're going to get when you buy the shoes. First of all, they do come in just a basic Adidas box, and yeah, the boxes come a little bit dented because Adidas just use any random box, so they did kind of get a little bit beat up in the shipping, which is a bit annoying because these were actually £120, and there's something quite interesting on the label, which I'll get to in a second. I usually buy a UK size 9, but I went down half a size because Stan Smiths do run half a size big. Here's the tag. This is the UK tag. So yeah, no fancy box for these. Yeah, you just got this basic paper, and here's the shoes. I've tried these on already. And we get the box out already. And here are the shoes. So, what I was saying about the tag, this is the tag. And interestingly enough, on the tag it actually has a retail price of £109, which was the retail price of the first Human Made Stan Smiths, the one that just have the embroidery. I will be doing a review of them, so sub to the channel. That should be coming in a few days. But yeah, the retail price is incorrect. These are actually 120, but they've got 110 on the price tag. Bit cheeky by Adidas, not sure. I do think though these probably are worth the extra £10 over the normal Stan Smith that released, because these aren't just a basic Stan Smith. These have got the this extra green bit on the tongue, and they've also got a different heel. Now this isn't usually what you find on a normal Stan Smith. What I might do is I might do a review, a comparison between the two different Human Made Stan Smiths. But yeah, really good quality materials. If you have a look on the tag here, you can't see it because there is a price tag in the way, but I'm pretty sure the entire shoe is leather, including, you've got an inner sole here, which is really nice, actually leather as well. You can see the leather, raw leather, right behind the tongue here. Not sure if that will bleed onto the socks. Shouldn't do. I've noticed one little, you've got the off-white sole, which looks really good. I've noticed one little flaw with these. You've got an extra hole where the love heart is, just there. A little bit annoying, but see, this one doesn't have it. I'm not going to return them because of it, because I think that's a bit pointless. Here's the back, Human Made drawers. Inside of the shoe, just the standard through lines. But yeah, I really like this red. So here it's not, you can see it's kind of not pushed up against it. I think this whole red panel is probably red underneath because you can kind of see some of the red coming through on some of the stitching. But in terms of leather quality, I know Rose Anvil, very good, who does very good reviews on leather shoes, but I actually think for the price these are definitely worth it. You can see the raw cut there of the leather. It's not pebbled, it's completely smooth, but I think you can see it does look pretty good. I do think the leather quality is justified. I think it is, you see little bits fraying there. I love that, I think that looks really good. The soles, just standard Stan Smiths. But yeah, in terms of sizing, before going to sizing actually, I'm not sure if they've rushed these out, or this is definitely not how they, but you can see the lacing on these is awful. You can see what they've done is they've wrapped over one lace, and then the other one has just gone from here to there. The lacing looks horrific, so you will probably have to I'm going to relace these anyway, because these look really bad how they're currently laced. Look at that, it's just one line So I have no idea if that was intentional or not. But yeah, you know, there's just like nice little details. Like you can see the leather. I'm pretty sure that's leather behind that red stuff. That red logo is leather. You can see the raw cut of the leather. It looks good quality. But yeah, sizing. So you have to go at least half a size down. My feet are, I think they're around 10 centimeters wide, so they're above average in width. But you got to remember, guys, leather shoes breaking, they will mold to your feet. So even if they are, you know, a little bit tight at first, it will be worth it. And people who say, oh, you know, don't bother going up. If your feet are wide, you don't need to go up a size in shoes, because the size of the shoe is based on length, not width. You're still going to get the same width of the shoe. So my advice is to go down at least half a size. I'm not sure, I think I probably could fit in a whole size down, but I'm not sure how comfortable that would be. So yeah, half size down, please do that. I mean, they're leather shoes. You do not want to be slipping around in leather shoes. You want to break these in, and these will mold straight to your feet. They'll be like socks, pretty much. So yeah, people don't, just because you've got a wide, if you've got a wide, I mean, the Stan Smiths pretty much do fit quite a wide range of feet, to be honest. But yeah, half size down, please do that, please. I mean, the good thing about these is they're sitting. I have a feeling these could go in the sale. So if you are thinking of getting them, I wouldn't rush out straight away, because I feel like these could go in the sale. I don't know if you've seen the Adidas Superstars, the human made ones. They were about 120, they're now 70. So I think if you want to get in the UK, they've just released the embroidered ones. I think they're pretty much almost gone. But these ones, I have a feeling these are going to go in the sale. So, it's your choice, really. I personally think the quality of the shoe is justified with the price at the current retail. But yeah, you could risk waiting for them to go in the sale. So I'm just going to do a quick on feet, because people always ask for on feet. I don't really care too much, but on feet I've got them both on here. So yeah, I'm usually a UK 9. I went with the 8.5. My big toe is just here. So I've got a little bit of room, but they feel really good. This is them placed up right to the top. This is not laced up to the top. And yeah, I've got the Adidas socks on, guys. No Nike socks, no cross branding. But yeah, I think they look really clean. Really happy with these. I think they would look really good if you just beat them up, you know, just wear them. So, yeah. But yeah. Any questions, any comments, just leave them below and I'll reply. Sub to the channel as well, guys. I'm trying to get, hopefully, 1,000 subs, and then I can start making some money off these videos. So, yeah, just sub to the channel, leave a comment, leave a like, and yeah, any questions, just drop them below. Thank you.